anything, but it's baker's twine, and I feel like baker's twine is very, like it'll stay. So I want to use that. So I'm gonna go grab my needle. Yeah. So again, if you're watching me and you're getting like annoyed, I'm just gonna tell you why again. The reason that I can't really do the editing on my videos is because I stay at home with my kids, and I don't really have like the extra time to do a lot of editing. And I was finding that trying to do a highly edited video was making it so that I could only maybe get a video out a week, if that. And I feel like I'd rather just at least get a video out rather than worried about it being highly edited, because I'm you know, beginning my journey with you guys, just getting to know you guys in the online marketplace. So I think it's okay that I'm not exactly where I want to be yet, because I will get there. And you know, once I have money and like I can send my kids to daycare, well then you'll get all that extra stuff, all the edited stuff, and you know. But right now, I'm gonna give you what I can, because I'm tired of letting myself be held back by that. I've been held back by that for too many years. Too many years of like talking to myself, talking about some, oh well, you know, I don't have the means, or I don't have the audience, or like people are going to feel a certain way if I don't do it this way. So like I put myself through that whole nightmare, and I'm tired of it and just don't want to do that to myself anymore. I just want to be kind now, kind to myself. And so kindness is also just being like, I'm good enough where I am. Like I don't have to be in this perfect position to share my talent with the world. Like I can be just me, and just share what I do have. And when the time is right and I'm able to get to the next level and then share that part, I will definitely do that. So yeah, just putting in a pamphlet stitch, a super simple 3-hole pamphlet stitch, just because that's my thing. That's my favorite. I like to put in a very simple pamphlet stitch. I can wrap my head around it. I did a five-hole one once, not once, recently, for that wedding planner book I was talking about. And it was kind of weird. I don't know if I did it wrong. I need to watch a video and check and see how I did that. But I think I might have did it wrong. Let's see. Oh, okay. We got everything in here. Pretty secured. So let me go ahead and just tie it in. This is my favorite way to bind a book. I have done glue, and like I folded all the pages and lined them beside each other instead of nestled in each other, like not a signature. They were just beside each other, and I glued that tacky glue directly to the spine of the book, and it was okay. It's not my preference though. I don't feel like it's as secure as sewing something in. And of course, when I first started doing this, first started sewing stuff in, it was kind of loose. Now that I'm more familiar with it, it is pretty, it's pretty secure. Gotta pull for dear life. I remember people being like, oh, don't pull so hard on the thing. And now I realize, yes, pull hard on the thing. I'd rather almost tear through it because I pulled hard than it's loose and it's just kind of wiggling in there. Oh, I hate that feeling when it's just like the pages are just kind of wiggling. Ugh. Okay, so now I'm going to go back through and kind of fold the pages that are supposed to be folded. Let's see, this is a little iffy. I may have to cut that down a little bit. Or for now, I'll probably just fold it, just so that I can have my book semi done so you guys can kind of peek through it, and I might do 1 or 2 more things to it. Let's see. I'm actually not at an hour yet, but I don't think I have a bunch of time to do that much extra stuff. These pages must have been bigger than I thought, because even these 12 by 12s are folding well, but those junk mail ones were folding kind of funky. Alrighty, so let me start cutting off some of the excess. Trying to make sure nothing's folded that I'm about to cut. Like flip out or something. I don't think so. So I'm just gonna cut it down just a little bit. It doesn't have to all be even, but I like for it to be a little more even than this. And these scissors are like, I'm sure it's the end of their life. These are from the dollar store, and I have used these like, man, I've really used these scissors. They've been so good to me. Alrighty. So I cut that down some. So now let me go to the next part and cut that down some. Yeah, here. Okay, so I don't think I want to cut it any lower than these folds. So let me try to carefully do that. If you guys are ever interested, I do a live journal, like a journal page live on Wednesday nights. It's called my Sip and Craft. So I have my little wine and people get on my live and just talk about whatever. It doesn't have to be about anything in particular. Just talk about whatever. I do a page. I kind of just narrate like I'm doing now, just what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So usually it is like a theme and it represents something, but not always. Sometimes it's just a page. Sometimes I even make a journal, but yeah, just want to make sure that you guys know that I have that. Also, like I said, I have an Etsy shop. It's not perfect. It's not where it should be yet, but it's there. And so, and a couple people have shown it love. A couple people have been like, they like the stuff that's there, and you know, so definitely feel free to check that out. Would love it if you did check it out. Oh, I almost lost my needle. Let me pull my needle to the side. I can't lose that now. This is not staying down like I want it to, so I'm gonna try to see if I put a little bit more glue on it. If I can get it to stay down on the edge there. Did I try to put Mod Podge on the front? Is that why it's doing this? I can't remember. I know I tried to use Mod Podge on some part of this journal. Or I don't know if it's like popping up now because I put the pages in and it's fat. Okay. That's starting to do something. I don't know, when I watch the videos on YouTube of other people doing their craft work, they seem to be able to like, okay, they put tacky glue down, they just kind of rub it on, and it's glued. And I'm like, my tacky glue takes forever to dry. What am I doing differently from you guys? I'm having a little shot off screen. So if you're having your wine, I'm joining you right now. Alrighty. So hopefully that's now a little more secure on there. So we have the sides as like a little purse. I can hold my book like a little purse and hopefully keep everything intact. It's my love book. Everything is love. And you know, this is made from an envelope, so this is kind of a pocket. I need to glue the top, but basically it'll be a pocket. And then this will be a pocket. Need to glue the sides there. And there's a magazine page, junk mail, calendar page that flips, pocket, junk mail, magazine page, kids homework paper, junk mail, pattern paper, pocket there, calendar page, junk mail, pattern paper with pocket, magazine, pattern paper, calendar, my kids paper, magazine, little pharmacy pack pocket there, magazine, kids paper. This is a calendar page that flips, little piece of pattern paper, magazine paper, pattern paper that flips, and it's also a pocket, and junk mail, another flip, triple flip. Let's see, a pocket, little piece of pattern paper, another little flip there. This is kid paper, magazine paper, a junk mail flip, pattern paper flip with a pocket, and calendar paper and a flip, and magazine paper and a flip and pocket, and then my back page. So yeah, so I feel like that's good. I feel like I made it. I might trim down the top a little bit more, but I probably won't do it, at least not on this video. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop this video, and this will just be like making the journal, and then I'll do another video where I'm kind of like, or I might just soup it up by myself and just put something on my YouTube so I can relax. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for just becoming a part of my community. If you want to connect more, you know, feel free to always just reach out in the comments if you want to connect more. I have an email list. I'm working on what I want to do with it, because I notice a lot of people don't really do email like they used to, but it's still important for me to have that list. So, you know, if you're one of those people who have signed up for my email list and you're like, I don't hear from you as often as I used to, there are some good reasons why, but I'll have to just keep working on it. So anyway, yeah, let me know if you want to connect more. Let me know if you want to be part of those Wednesday lives and want to watch me make a journal page live. And I hope that if you are here that you like and subscribe. And of course, check out my Etsy shop and purchase something for you or your family. I'm working on some amazing journals for the first day of spring. So I'll have a 10-piece line out on the first day of spring is my goal. And you can follow me on Instagram to see all that. Now, when I first upload this video, you may not have the links, but I will add the links very soon because I have to do it on 2 different parts, but I will. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for joining. Bye.